Here we are today. We're going to bring you a bunch of bird postage stamps. Postage stamp is becoming a thing to collect. It's a good investment for your future. With all the technology and everything, this is a good hobby to pick up, and it's a good investment. So we'll start with showing you this one here. Ohio, 20-cent stamp. A cardinal. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Then we go to Oregon. Western Meadowlark bird. It's also 20 cents. North Carolina cardinal, 20 cents. This one here is really nice. Organized labor, proud and free. USA, 15 cents. There's our eagle. Okay, there's Maine, 20-cent stamp. The chickadee. We have Kansas, a Western Meadowlark bird. Okay, then we come back down here to Wisconsin, a robin. Now this swan was just one of the stamps that I didn't know where to put it, so I added it to this. Nippon. I believe, you know, with the writing and everything, it's Japanese or Korean, one of them. There's a 25 cents pheasant. USA stamp. This one here just says USA First Class. Two beautiful little birds. Almost looks like lovebirds sitting there, but they're blue. This guy here, he's cute. 20 cents. Look at that. Very nice. Isn't he pretty? Look at the design of that one. Very nice bird. Okay, then we have the New York Eastern Bluebird. And down here we have Wildlife Conservation, 15 cents. An owl. Then we have Colorado. Lock bunting bird, 20-cent stamp. Then we have Hawaii for the Hawaiian goose. Very beautiful. And it also, you know, has the pictures of these birds, but also has the flower of the state too. This is Minnesota. Common loon. Of course, there's the flower too. So you not only have the bird, you also have the flower of the state too. Another Wildlife Conservation. It's another owl in a different position. 15 cents. Okay, and then California, 20 cents. California quail. And of course with the flower also. So here we have some very, very nice bird postage stamps. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. And you know, one of the things you look for when you're looking at stamps and stuff is to see if they're properly centered, because that increases the value of them, to make sure they're properly centered. Of course, if you have one that's unused, it's even more valuable. So you're looking for good condition, centered, and unused. Okay. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. And remember, this is a good investment. You can use it as a retirement hobby, or you can collect for the grandkids, like I'm doing for my granddaughters and stuff. So, I got two little ones. They're just starting out in life, Kara and Kenna. So, they're going to enjoy these stamps in their age. When they reach my age, they'll be worth a lot. So, happy hunting. Learn the value of your stamps and stuff before you start investing. And good luck. Bye-bye now.